Okay, for the next function is the string repeat. String repeat function is used for repeat the string. For example, when we give a string and we use the count, means how many times the string will be repeated. How many times the string will be repeated, so that we can use the string repeat functions. Okay, so syntax for the string repeat function is, we can simply use the string repeat function. For that is the function name is string repeat. In that, the first parameter is the string. First parameter is the string, and the second parameter is how many times you can repeat the string, means the count. You can use the count, either give 1, 2, same string will repeat so many times. So that we can use the string repeat function. And the string repeat function gives the first parameter as the string and the second parameter is the count, means how many times the string will be repeated. How many times the string will be repeated. So that, for example, we assign the variable as the x. Okay, so when we write the program for the string repeat function, so we can start with less than question mark PHP. Then we can do accept one string. For example, we accept the str as a string and we accept one simple word as the hello. One simple string as the hello. And when we repeat this string, that is repeat the hello for 2 times. So what will be the changes for in function string repeat function? क्या changes होंगे उसमें? क्या changes होंगे? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया सबको कि मैंने एक क्या दिए है यहाँ पे स्ट्रिंग दिए. स्ट्रिंग रिपीट फंक्शन का मीनिंग क्या है कि मेरे को सेम स्ट्रिंग मेनी टाइम्स रिपीट करनी है. उसके लिए मैंने वहां पे एक जो है वेरिएबल वहां पे मैंने काउंट देना है मेरे को वहां पे. सो व्हेन वी रिपीट द स्ट्रिंग हेलो, फॉर एग्जांपल वी रिपीट 5 टाइम्स, सो यूज द काउंट एज 5. Okay, so simply we write, for example, $x, we assign here the 5, means we can repeat the same string for 5 times and we directly write them. For example, one variable C variable is assigned for string repeat and the first string is the str. First parameter is string and the here is string assigned to the $str and $x is the count. So here is count will be 5 and directly will be printed using echo and the $C semicolon. So this is the program of the string repeat. And when we save the program, so where we save? In which folder we can save the program? मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर को ही बताया कि मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए. If you understand, then response. If does not understand, please also response. Yes, in the XAMPP, first, for example, when XAMPP will be installed in the local drive C, then in go to C drive, then the folder is the XAMPP. Okay, within the XAMPP, again the htdos is folder. So within htdos, we can save the programs of PHP. You can also create in a XAMPP one more folder for creating your programs. So here, for example, program name is repeat dot extension is the PHP. So PHP extension is extension of PHP is dot PHP and save. So this is the simple program for the string repeat function. So when we run this programs, so what will be the output is display? क्या है इसका output?
5 times hello.
Yes, we print the 5 times hello, that is hello, then hello, then hello, and hello, and hello. Means same string will be repeated 5 times because we use the count as the 5. So this string will be repeated 5 times. For example, when give the count as the 2, so only 2 times string will be repeated. We gives the count as the 3, so 3 times string will be repeated. If gives count as the 4, according to the count, string will be repeated. So that most important for repetition function is the count. Means how many times we can count the string. Okay? To understand the string repeat function, everyone? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, write down in string repeat function. अखिल, मैंने अभी तक अटेंडेंस के लिए बोला नहीं है. Write down in string repeat function. This function takes a string. This function takes a string. This function takes a string and count and count and count and after it and after it and after it. Repeat, comma. Repeat the string. Repeat the string that many times. 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 Write down the syntax for that. Firstly, write down the syntax. So syntax is, what is the data type of the string repeat function? क्या है इसका data type?
String.
Yes, the data type is string because it can return the string. So the data type for the string repeat function is a string. Function name is string underscore repeat. Then in bracket, the first string is the string input, means the string name. So that's why right here the input. And second is the count, means we can use the multiplier. So how many times the string will be printed? So multiplier. Multiplier. And write down in next line. Returns within a single quotation input, returns input repeated multiplier times. Repeated multipliers times. So firstly write down the syntax. Write down the return input repeated multiplier times and then write down the program. Okay, mark your attendance. Mark the attendance in classwork as well as in chat box.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. So write down the next function, that is string pad. strpad. String pad. It is very simple function. Directly write down the syntax. When we run the program, when we write the program, so easily we can understand the string pad functions. So the function name is string underscore pad. Okay. So write down in that. The string pad functions. String pad function. String pad functions pads a string to a new length. Pads a string to a new length. So write down the syntax. Again, the same data types, that is the string, because it can pad a new string and returns the result according to that length. So first, again, same is the first is the dollar input, comma, integer dollar pad underscore length, means we give the length in that parameter. And again one more optional parameter means where we pad, where means आपको क्या करना है, एक स्ट्रिंग दी जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको इक्वल टू दिया, मैंने आपको बोला कि वहां पे आप पैड करो, आइदर आप लेफ्ट साइड को करो, इसके लिए आपके पास फंक्शन है string underscore pad underscore left. When we pad a string or when we pad a character or any word, so we can and we can pad on the right side. So the function is string underscore pad underscore right. And when we pad the string or any character from both, so that the function name is str underscore pad underscore both. Means if we pad from left side, so the function name is str underscore pad underscore left. When we pad from right side, so that the function name is str underscore pad underscore right. And when we insert the new string from both the sides, so the function name is str underscore pad underscore both. Okay, so write down the syntax. There is a optional parameters. So the function is the optional parameter, that is string string then function is the pad underscore string then equal then comma then pad underscore type equals to, by default the function is the str underscore add underscore right. Okay, so write down the function, write down the syntax. Okay, done the syntax?
Yes,
Okay, write down in next line. These function returns this function returns the input string this function returns the input string padded on the left, comma the right, or both sides, to the specified padding length. Next line. If the optional argument pad underscore string is not supply, the input is padded with spaces. Otherwise it is padded with characters. From pad underscore string up to the limit.